Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. Today we're going to continue playing with this new technique, the tie-dye technique, and we're going to do kind of a rainbow sun blowout. You can use any colors you have. This is a great technique to use if you just have leftover paint that you want to see what happens and throw it on a canvas. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm using an old dried canvas that I have on hand. I'm actually going to be doing one of my next videos on different ways that you can repurpose canvases that you don't really want to keep anymore. So this is one of the ways, spoiler alert, this is a canvas that has been dry for months and just I keep them sort of sitting in the back of my art area. That lets me just sort of grab one when I'm ready to do a new piece. So I am using some different colors that I have. They're not true rainbow colors, but I will put the exact names in the description below for you. So this is where we're going to actually spray the painting with my water bottle, and this is going to help us get that tie-dye effect. And after we do that, we're just going to blow with the hairdryer on a cool setting until we have worked most of the paint off of the canvas. It's going to be a very, very thin layer that's left. All right, so I'm going to go in with my white here and just add in a circle. And this is my regular consistency paint, and my recipe link is in the description. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. If you want, you can use a cookie cutter or something to help you trace an exact circle. But really, we're going to spin this out a little bit, so it's going to shift. So don't worry about it too much. All right, so I'm just going back in with a straw. It's kind of hard to see here because my head is in the way. I'm sorry because of the way my camera is positioned. But I'm going in with a straw to just sort of blow out some of the pieces to give it a little bit more of a tie-dye effect. And then I'm also going to go in with my hairdryer to just really try to stretch that white over the colors, because that's what gives it this wispy sort of cell lacing that makes it look really abstract and really neat. There's a couple spots that for some reason are missing some paint, so I'm just going to cover those up here. And the sides as well. And we're all set. We have a really cool sort of rainbow themed tie-dye piece. Well, that's all I have for today. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and join us for more art tutorials. I'll see you next time.